Well, hi, my name's Ray Lynn. I'm from Portland, Oregon. This is my first year at Muses. I've been modeling, travel modeling for about 2 years now. I first found out through another photographer who was trying to get me more involved with the models out here, and he had mentioned Alice's name, and he goes, "Have you heard about our event? I think you'd have a really good time shooting there." That was probably about 2-3 years ago. I was too scared to reach out because Alice is just this big name in the industry, so I was a little nervous, but I was so excited when she had reached out to me this year. I stopped everything I was doing just to respond to the text. The venue is so magical. Not only are there so many places to shoot and just wander around, it feels very safe and comfortable, almost like a home away from home type feel, but like a creative summer camp in a way. And working with everybody has been so fun, and just you're able to really express yourself and just be you. I feel like there's a big necessity for an event like this, because sometimes when you do have events hosted by just photographers, they don't know how it looks on our end of the spectrum. And so the biggest thing for me is safety with photographers especially. And I feel like Alice really took her time hand selecting people, doing checks, and then also with the security, it's a really big deal to just have all those spots from our end and the photographer's end met and come together. Yeah, having the shed, first of all, amazing. I love when there's a designated space for the girls, just because sometimes it is a lot having to talk and work the whole time. So having a place for us to relax and just be able to feel comfortable and safe in that area. And then also with the board and just the whole organization of the whole thing really helped just keep you level-headed, because when you're traveling, it's already difficult, and then adding bookings with multiple different photographers, it can get a little messy. So it was a really smooth process, and honestly, probably the easiest event, booking-wise and just communication-wise. If I had to ask Alice anything, she wrote back to me within 2 minutes. Alice, this is my first time meeting her, and so I was a little nervous just because she's such a big name in the industry. I don't think I've worked with a single photographer, West Coast to East Coast, anywhere in the middle, who doesn't know who she is. And so I was a little nervous, a little starstruck, kind of fangirling, but she's been so sweet, so delightful, constantly checking in on not only me and all the new models and the models who are continuing with Muses. And so yeah, she's just been an absolute divine delight. Yes, I get to ride on Odin. I also shot with him, and he was in the background of some of my shots as well. I did a shoot with a horse a couple weeks ago. Odin is so easy to be around and easy to work with, and what woman's dream isn't to ride a horse, so. It is amazing. The whole event has been amazing. The whole experience has been amazing. I get really nervous around big groups of girls, and you just never know what you're gonna expect. And this whole process has been fun. It was easy to book. She gives you all the necessary tools. So I just thank you for being her and fulfilling that need of a space that's fun and easy to create. Hi, my name's Ray Lynn. If you'd like to book with me or follow me on my journey, check the links below.